Good morning, and today I'll be giving a presentation on a proposal for a new newspaper for Siemens Charlotte called Fast Track. Our problem at Siemens Charlotte is that there's a lack of communication plant-wide, which is causing production to be down and is causing high stress levels throughout the plant. With this, expectations are not being met. The solution to fix the lack of communication is to create a new way of communicating, which would be the newspaper called Fast Track. The plant needs to be kept better informed of what is happening and what needs to be done. If we create a new newspaper, it will help that happen. The benefits of the newspaper will create an easier way to spread more important news. It will help address false rumors that have been going around the plant that might create high stress levels for those employees. It will be easier access for employees to find new job openings throughout the plant. And plant operations and milestones will be listed to help all the employees that are currently on the plant know. Other job operations for specific jobs will be listed that will help control worker confusion, which will hopefully cause less problems and mistakes throughout the plant. The discussion in the proposal will be, since budget cuts are undergo, this will create a solid backbone for the company. All the employees will be given this fast track, which will help them be on the same page. A bunch of information will be given out, which will help inform employees of all the current operations throughout the plant, which will help lead to a higher organization level, which will hopefully help de-stress their work schedule, along with having them be informed of everything that is happening on the plant. So in conclusion, better communication will lead to a higher plant revenue. This is what the plant needs at this moment due to the fact that we are undergoing budget cuts. Along with this proposal, it won't cost as much money as other proposals will, because it is simply replacing something that we already have but still using our same resources. Fast Track will take ideas of what the actual employees want, not just what upper management thinks will help. So anything that comes from the plant floor that people might benefit from will be in this newspaper. I recommend also that there should be a vote on whether the employees actually would like to do this newspaper or not, seeing as if they would actually use it to if they would not use it. In my opinion, they will, because this will also create a happy and productive work environment, which will help people feel calm and collected in their workspace. Also, I have attached a full page proposal, which hopefully will answer any questions that you have. Thank you, and I hope you consider my proposal.